Hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, a very good evening. Phone name bottle. Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, a very good evening. That about Wednesday, the 29th of April, 2026. And I'm going to share a video and I'm very happy. Today comes you know tamaro. You know, I've been through pain and many times some people are already criticize him that they're hardly healthier than I am, and I've continued to say that I prefer to be medically sick than to be medically sick than to be mentally sick. And God knows that I've waited for 3 years for a day like this to come. And again, thanks to the executive governor of Enugu State. You know, some people chenambo or real estate agent or realtor and all that. No, I'm the number 3 man na first choice Afro Villa. I the 3 when the company. I own it up. Or few people get main issue, they own it up. And whenever they'll say, why are you associating with a real estate company and all that? I am part and parcel of the company. Some of you are from the UK, who are from the Germany, who are from the US, from the Canada. I am a company owner. Oria, I want to submit my documents in embassy and visa. And when problem webana I watch a phone change in phone. I'm gonna use iPhone. Samsung can use. Ndaru adero to kata problem na my Samsung goju. I have to transfer to iPhone. iPhone phone now, madam appear. Enwem apology to make. And that apology is communication apology. My communication level the very poor. Ema why? I send the message 100. 98 bundaru adero. Ian name is a lot of business course. So before I explain to you my predicament, my ordeal, actually you no biko maka communication. In fact, it may designate a line from tomorrow for business. Obo na ikpom na that line say na radrogan block oge. Obo na ikpom na line na sim na na mortuary before God and man block oge. Because all these things they boom my mental health. Every day na phone na I got phone zoom made ito. Ana akpọ m iyi na ọmụgburu ha na ọmụnwa mere onye ajụ nwụọ na mere onye ajụ nwụọ. Anyị nwee site na Ọka First Choice Afro Villa na Ọka, anyị nwee na Avobosim Owerri, anyị nwee na Agbo Ọgazi, anyị nwee na Iva Valley. Ha niile dịgbodo mma, nwere nke nwere issue. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwetebere akwụkwọ ma na-enwe delay. Enwe many delays. Enwe many reasons eji enwe delays n'inye mmadụ akwụkwọ ana. Mana m sị ka m yọọ unu. Enwe one property I nwere Enugu I go n'Ugwu Aji. Independence Layout Phase 2. I go ebe a na early 2023. Go see the place na 2023. More they call na December 2023. Enugu State government be a say lawyer. I was in the village December 2023. Here I'm not going to reality, God knows. Mwete call, asimo Okwuluora. Muka afa estate aya di n'Ugwu Aji. Ngwa the person ngwa ma afa the estate. A road the following day, Enugu State government, JDA, estate Mwa Kaya bad. Akare bad means stop work. Obu Sona, not just that Nakare bad, they arrested the workers there. Enugu State government arrested the workers there, including Engineer Sunday. And before I could come back from the village, I was in the village. Before I could come back to Enugu, demolish go the place. Obu Nango Sigi video Akwambe that day, order on my phone, but for some reason, I'm not going to show the video because enwe go resolution. Abia na the site ne my sweat. Ne yeni inem alfuni inem tanu wa. Kamadu ji caterpillar. Yeah, menugu oka de there. Somebody went there with caterpillar onye kamike. Were caterpillar kwatu odiana from scratch to finish. Since December 2023. To be very candid, I'm coming. To be very candid, since December 2023, I have not been myself. And we got a lot of them, Mona made the business. I sold my properties, really, I refund her. I did. And when this Mona Hage when did it? And when this Mona half of the money, and when then transfer to another site. Why my trouble Ibunitoku since? If I be a government TG. And the most times, eating you on, people will misinterpret. I don't want to be in the bad book of government. Government agwagom the letter to land. Government agwagom the letter to Surveyor General. I have submitted letters to Enugu State government more than 20 times. I have done everything humanly possible. Iye ni government gwa mu emecha me government say ngwaje nu ebe ozo. I ask government of Enugu State to please give me another place. You have taken the one we bought. Not even the land we bought. The development. Aya Agbagia fence. Over 200 plus of land. Aya Agbagia fence. Aya register gia. Aya Agbapugo mmiri. Aya alugo swimming pool. Aya alugo ebe na agba ball. Aya atugo ebe na basketball. 3 duplex kano na alo there. Alugo gate house. Government of Enugu State, demolish state. Ayogom biko, esepugo mana, ebego makwa. Enwaro mmadu no na ani Igbo a. Enwaro mmadu bagote na ani Igbo a meje kurube. Some of them are na akpu ebinije, some of them are na akpu efi. Na ayo ha biko. Melu na ebere, biko. But then, it didn't work. Yesterday, I was in government house. Let me show you this video. This was last night. 28th April. Tuesday. What is the time? 8:24. 8:24 at the Lion Building, Enugu State Government House. For record purpose. God bless. Let me play the video again for you. Now Banionya, the Government House of Enugu State. 28th April. 28th will be yesterday. Tuesday. What is the time? 8:24. 8:24 at the Lion Building, Enugu State Government House. For record purpose. God bless. Let me play the video again. Okay. Today is 28th April. Tuesday. What is the time? 8:24. 8:24 at the Lion Building, Enugu State Government House. For record purpose. God bless. So, okay, today is 28th April. Tuesday. What is the time? 8:24. 8:24 at the Lion Building, Enugu State Government House. For record purpose. God bless. So, AJSIM Government House yesterday. And on the Government House Enugu yesterday. And gracefully, as God may have it, Governor of Enugu State assigned the Commissioner for Lands, Yanyeme Bozo. And when there's a video evidence, which I can show. I think I need to show that video evidence. Go ahead and send it here. I need to show that video evidence. Odd gonna phone let me see if I can find the video evidence. Oh, it's not on this phone. The video, I think, is on this phone. Let me see if I can find the video on this phone. No, the video is not on this phone. It's not on this phone. It should be on this phone. Yeah, get me the video. Let me get the video. This is the video. This is video negotiable. I think 29 December 2023. Yeah, but Banyite volume video. The governor of Enugu State, one name for Nanya and Kenuko. Your Excellency, I'm going to see the situation of our side. Okay, see, I could see you look, we stopped. And we were on your call, Pakam, in our Enugu State, and one in Amagaka. And with them call on Ototo and some people be a coolies here. If I was swear to working for years, one of them, Bama Babereba, they would them maybe now, Bambo, never know the moment they were I could say. To my greatest surprise, even BP mode very high now. Some people be actually see Eba developing this debris now. Fence I need no nana. If I get out, I know. Madam Ebengi, even one base of a general and ever get on this way. Yentuziaka Bianene, Kamari Hagame. A madam, when you get a chain to go, Padua, not chain to go, Padua governor. But they are named one nigga Mazamiga Mendoza. One them because any Mediaman Kagana, my governor. I don't know where to go from here, sir. Your Excellency, Pico. Good morning, Your Excellency. The governor of Enugu State. One name for Nanya and Kenuko. Your Excellency, I'm going to see the situation of our side.
This is how I find my sweat in Enugu.
And we're on your call, Pakam, Makogin, Enugu State, and one Yana Magaka. I'm with them call on Ototo and some people be a coolies here. If I was swear to working for years, one of them, Bama Babereba, they would them maybe now, Bambo, never know the moment they were I could say. To my greatest surprise, even BP mode very high now. Some people be actually see Eba developing this debris now. Fence I need no nana. If I get out, I know. Madam Ebengi, even one base of a general and ever get on this way. Yentuziaka Bianene, Kamari Hagame. A madam, when you get a chain to go, Padua, not chain to go, Padua governor.
So, onye ọbụla, thank you very much. Ọ bụrụ na ma refund be ego gị, gọvanọ enyega anyị a new place. Ị kpọọ m na WhatsApp, iji my WhatsApp number 090-1734-2796. Ọ bụrụ na aya refund be gị na ị chọrọ a new site, gọvanọ nyere anyị taa. Ị kpọọ m na 090-1734-2796. Thank you very much.